Build smarter. Buy easier with RichmondCustomHomes.com. If you already own land in Richmond, Virginia, you might be sitting on a powerful advantage: your land equity. Many buyers don't realize that the value of their land can often be used toward the down payment for a construction loan. This means you may need little to no additional cash upfront, depending on your equity and loan program. Lenders typically evaluate the current market value of your land compared to what you still owe, if anything. The more equity you have, the stronger your position becomes when applying for financing. This can also improve your loan terms and reduce overall costs. However, you'll still need to meet credit, income, and documentation requirements to qualify. It's important to work with experts who understand how to structure these types of loans properly. With the right plan in place, your land can become the foundation for your future home, both literally and financially. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.